guys, Chanel of the Polymer Corner here, and welcome back to another behind the scenes video. Now, before I go on to talk about what I'm going to be making today, even though you already know because you saw the title of this video, but I just want to give a thank you because I received 2 orders of the ice cream sandwiches that I did in my last video, and I received 1 order of the ice cream sundae. So it seems like that somebody is liking these videos. Like, you guys seem to be liking the videos. I don't even know if you guys came off of YouTube or if you came off of my Instagram or just Etsy browsing, but I thought that was really supportive, and I just want to say thank you to whoever you are. And for those of you who are looking at my shop and thinking about purchasing things or wanting to purchase things in the future, I would just say thank you right now, because I love support and I love the community, and I'm just really thankful to have this opportunity to be able to take a chance in doing something that I am passionate about and making money off of it. So anyways, for today's behind the scenes video, I am dying to make a cheesecake because that is something that I wanted to do since, like, when I was first browsing miniature food items. I've wanted to make a cheesecake. Honestly, cheesecake is not my favorite unless it's chocolate cheesecake, but my husband loves cheesecake. So I thought that it looked beautiful, especially with the little cherries or strawberries or whatever you want on top. So I want to go ahead and attempt that. It's different than the other textured cakes that I've been doing before. So I'm excited to dive right into this, and I'm excited for the final results. I'm going to also be adding some ice cream sandwich bars stud earrings, and I'm going to go ahead and add the other like wafer shaped type of ice cream sandwich bars to the shop, but I'm not going to record those. I'm just going to go ahead and work on those off camera, but because it would be just too long of a video if I threw all that in there. But I just want to let you guys know that I am going to also put those on my shop. So this is going to be listing. I'm not doing every single listing on camera, if that makes sense. So even though I'm trying to get to 100 listings, I'm not going to be doing all 100 on camera. Just wanted to make that clear. All right, so you might go to my shop and be like, she didn't make a video on that. When did she make that? That's what's going on. All right, so I am really excited to get started on this. So without further ado, let's get to creating. I mean, look at what I've created. Look at what just happened to be shrunken down to miniature size right before my eyes. I am absolutely, oh my gosh, obsessed with how these came out. You have got to be kidding me. Like, this is absolutely phenomenal. Guys, this is so good. Like, I'm not trying to brag on myself, but I'm just really proud of the way these came out. And I really don't know what to say, because what do you say when you feel like you've won at life? All right, hands down, probably my favorite charm after the hands down my favorite charm that I've made so far on this channel. Let's put it that way. Like, these look absolutely delicious, and I could totally eat these. I had fun with the texture. Here, let's get a close-up for you guys. This is what the texture looks like, if you guys can see it. Just put some little brush strokes in there just to make it look a little bit spongy. As you saw what I did with the cherries and the UV resin to make everything look shiny, and this just came out so good. I mean, oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Did I do that with all of them in the back? Like, look at the crust. It looks so graham crackery. Guys, I'm really proud of this. I don't know what to say. I'm trying not to brag on camera, because who wants to hear that? But I am just really proud of this, because I've never done this before, and I think it came out beautifully. I'm just trying to like put it together. I'm just so proud of this, guys. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Even if I'm not the one who made this, like if someone else made this, I would just be like, bruh, let me get one of them. These are amazing, guys. I love how it came out. I don't know what else to say. These came out really well. I'm ready to take pictures and list them, guys. I'm ready to get these into people's homes, and I am going to probably snag one for myself. Just seriously, just put it on my keychain. Like, come on. You guys like these or no? I don't listen. I'm so proud of these guys. I love it. 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 Needless to say, I love it. All right, guys, that's the cheesecake wrap up, and I really have nothing else to say. I'm just kind of in shock, guys. Like, let me show you my face right now. I'm just kind of in shock because, like I said, I didn't know I could do this. I knew I could do it. I'm just really proud that it actually came out really nice. All right, that's it. Okay, bye. All right, guys, I am done, and let me tell you how much fun I had making this. It's similar to the cakes that I've made before, but at the same time it's different, and I really enjoyed how different it was. And have you seen the way they came out? They are absolutely gorgeous, and I am like so happy about this, guys. One of the challenges I had was trying to get that like cherry glaze or the cherry flavoring on top just right, but I'm really happy with the way that it came out. So this is going on the Etsy shop, and I will be taking pictures right after this video. Well, not right after this video, but later in the week, so I can make sure to get these listings up by the time this video goes out. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any suggestions of any food charms that you would like me to make, please go ahead and leave them down in the comment section. Please check out my Etsy shop in case you see anything that you like and want to purchase or purchase for a friend. I really appreciate the support, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.